Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside your hands when you crack your knuckles? Most people think it is the sound of bones rubbing together. But that is actually a myth. Inside your finger joints, there is a special liquid called synovial fluid. Its job is to keep your joints moving smoothly, just like oil in an engine. When you pull or bend your fingers, the pressure inside that fluid drops suddenly. This creates tiny gas bubbles inside the fluid. When these bubbles form and pop, they create that crack sound you hear. Scientists call this process cavitation. So the next time you crack your knuckles, remember it is not your bones snapping. It is just tiny bubbles popping inside your hands. If you found this cool, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.